Obasi has to pay child support. All of you who are talking in these things, please tell Obasi to pay child support. And what Judy needs to do, Judy, you can't be carrying these children alone. Okay? Enough of that. Obasi has money now. He's raising money. People are contributing money for him to fight you. He's getting endorsement money. He, by himself, described himself as a celebrity, by which he meant he's a celebrity. And he called Nigerian celebrities his colleagues. Okay, so now he has to pay child support. Okay, one of the children is already 19. Technically, he's an adult. There'll be no support for him. But because this man had never paid anything, if that child is in the university, the court is going to ask him to continue to pay child support until she is 21. Now, you have to understand the difference. Even though you are paying support for her until 21, it doesn't mean she's not an adult. She can still refuse to see you. Those children can refuse to see Obasi, and Obasi will still be forced to pay child support. Do you understand it? So, all these things that are talking about child support and access, they are not the same. They are not made conditional upon the other. Any court will hit Obasi right now. If I were Judy should go straight to court now and demand child support without giving him access. Don't worry about access. The court will do what they call best interest analysis. The court will analyze what is in the best interest of the children. When the court analyzes, the court is going to likely find that it's not in the best interest of the children for them to be with Obasi. The same court will find that it is in their best interest for Obasi to pay their school fees. So Obasi will be paying school fees without seeing the children, without access. Or the access must be supervised. So I don't know why you are wasting time. You people are talking nonsense. But going to court to get access, he's going on social media. And now Judy is Judy, go to court. Swiftly. Huh? Absolutely. If you don't know how to do that one, seek for help. He should pay child support. Indeed, by Wednesday, file papers in court. By Wednesday, let there be papers in court filed against Obasi for child support. Then the truth will come out. This same Obasi will run. You see, he doesn't want to pay child support. Okay? File papers in court. Court is going on vacation. Continue what we call vacation. Deal with the vacation judge. File an interim application. Just take the school fees of the children. Go to the boss and say, give me their school fees. They'll give you the invoice. File, tell court, this is the biological father. His name is Emmanuel Obasi. He's not bringing anything to take these children. And if he doesn't bring something, the children will drop out of school. The court will not allow the children to drop out. I can tell you that. Court is not going to allow. The court will tell Obasi to pay school fees. Why are you wasting time? Okay? When they tell Obasi to pay school fees, you see how Obasi will run. He will stop going on social media to make trouble. I don't know. Very simple thing. Simple thing. Hit him. You know, instead of you telling talk to your ex-wife, that's nonsense. You was not supposed to say anything. And if you wanted to say something, you would simply say, I want him to follow due process. Let him follow due process of the law. Simple. He didn't have to say much. He didn't have to tell Obasi to follow the due process of law. And Judy, please follow the process of law. Judy, don't waste time. Oh. If you need help, say you need help. By Wednesday, court papers will be in court. By Wednesday, it will be filed in court. Okay? Move. Get lawyers. Speak to lawyers. If you don't know how to find lawyers that will help you, let DPA know. You a lawyer in your jurisdiction. We'll get you a lawyer in your state. Judy, if you need a lawyer, just tell us where you live, We find the nearest lawyer to that place. We'll send that lawyer. DPA will pay that lawyer. Don't worry. Okay? DPA will pay that lawyer. Okay? Simple. He has to pay child support. If you don't pay child support, you can't talk. I don't want Obasi to open his mouth again to speak without showing the receipt of child support. Look at Obasi trying to insult me and abuse me. How? Can he? Any man who cannot support his children should never speak. Any man who cannot take care of his children. You didn't pay your children's fee. You didn't give them food. You didn't give them clothing. You didn't give them money for medication. And you came on social media to talk to me. And you people are listening to him. All of you women, you are listening to a useless father. Let Judy hit him in court. Judy, the ball is in your... Don't worry, Judy. Don't worry about money. Don't worry about anything you pay the lawyer. Don't worry about what you pay the lawyer. Just tell us you need a lawyer. Let us look for a lawyer in that area and make sure that papers are filed on Wednesday before court goes on vacation. File it on Wednesday, serve it on him. It will come with emergency application. Go and get the school fees. The school has invoice. Get the school fees, tabulate it, what they eat, their school uniform, their feeding, their school fees. And then you put an application indicate that Obasi is a celebrity. Obasi is a celebrity with rich people sponsoring him. All this nonsense. He has money to go on podcast. You have money to go on podcast, and your children have no food, and people are clapping for you, praising you. If you are praising such a man, you should be ashamed of yourself. If your father abandoned you the way Obasi abandoned his children, will you be here today? Let Obasi pay school fees. These children, he says, they are my children. You know they are my children. What will you tell them back? So you know they are your children? So you know they will always be your children, right? How come you didn't pay school fees? Show us the bottle of water you bought for them. Show us. I don't want to talk to Obasi. I can't talk to a man who cannot help his children. Listen, even rabbits, even chicken, even wild animals, they take care of their babies. Even, what do I have to tell you? I mean, I'm looking for the lowest animal. They take care for their babies. Obasi cannot care for his children. Okay? Thank God Casey Ibe called me online lawyer because he's hated what I'm doing. Thank God he's also not taking care of his children. He's another deadbeat dad who is not taking care of his children. So all those men who don't take care of their children, they're angry. That I'm telling Judy to go and get child support. So thank God that is it. Okay? And thank God if your wife comes, I will help her to make sure you pay child support as well. Any man who is not paying child support should not talk to me. He's beneath me. Okay? Any man not supporting his children is beneath me, beneath my sandals. I can't talk to such a man. So, Judy, go and do what you have to do. Don't waste your time crying on social media and file papers in court. The next time you talk, Judy, let the court be talking for you. Let the papers in court be talking for you.
That's very
important. Don't allow men to mess you up. Don't allow men to abuse you. All of them. Any man who got you pregnant must bear responsibility for the children. Any man who got you pregnant, Judy, come. He must take care. I don't care about what happened about the adults. The children must eat. The children must eat. They must eat. They must clothe. They must go to school. I care about the children. I don't care about the adults. So let's deal with Obasi. Until those children must be protected. You have 3. He must protect them. Obasi has 2. He must protect them. Judy cannot carry it alone. Okay. Teresa, you are from our group, okay? Thank you. Okay, now let me warn you, Teresa. I didn't block you, but be very careful. Next time I'll block you. I don't like nonsense and stupidity. Okay? Children must have child support for the children. Okay? So, thank God, Ibe. Thank God, Ibe. Go and take care of your children, please. If your wife comes to DPA, I will teach you a lesson. Thank God, Ibe. If your wife, Mrs. Thank God, Ibe, if you are listening to this, come to DPA. Let us first thank God to pay for the school fees of the children, okay? And thank God, don't speak to me. You are beneath me because you are not taking care of your children. Any man who is not paying child support, any man who is paying child support, who abandoned his children, is beneath me. He can't speak to me at all. He can't come to my page and talk nonsense. Okay? Okay. If you are not taking care of your children, don't come here. So what you know is to get women pregnant. Pam, you get women pregnant, and then she's carrying the cross, the weight of no way. If you know how to get a woman pregnant, you should go and know how to take care of children. All of you, Nigerian men, all of you listening to me, if you know how to get somebody pregnant, you better go take care of the children. Because if DPA catches you, I don't care. You can abuse me from morning till night. If your wife comes, or the mother of your child, your girlfriend, anybody who has a baby for you, if she comes to DPA and says you refuse to get child support, we will deal with you. By the way, we got another woman now from Ajegunle. That woman said that her husband, let me see. Let me read what the poor woman said. Okay. Now look at this. My name is Sosa and Soso. I came across your page on Facebook, and I thought maybe you can get assistance. We can get assistance through the organization. I separated from my ex-husband for almost 11 years now, and all my effort for him to be in the life of our two kids emotionally and financially proved abortive, and I don't have money to pursue it legally. That woman came to DPA. She wrote to us. She lives in Ajegunle. That man will catch that man. Before the end of this coming week, that man that's telling us now, he will be in court. He doesn't have money to help his children. Let him use that money to hire a lawyer first. He will be hiring a lawyer very soon. Okay? And when we get there, the court will force him. DPA, we don't know any case where a judge will tell a father not to take care of the children. The judge will force you. The judge will force you. I know that. So this woman, I don't want to mention your name to keep you confidential, but you know I'm talking to you. You live in Ajegunle, you wrote to us. Okay? Let me see. I will ask your location. You said my location is in Ajegunle. Listen, ma'am, come. We will help you. That's your ex-husband who is not taking care of the children. We will make sure he does that. We put his butt on fire. Okay? So, we are wasting time. All this while we were talking nonsense, going into the irrelevant things. Oh, what did Judy do? Have mistakes of Judy? I don't care. What I know is that the children did not make any mistake. The children are innocent. The children did not make any mistake. Okay? The children did not make any mistake, okay? So, I want to deal with the children. Okay?
Come down and talk.
So, somebody said here, Ogechi Okeke, say, why did she run away with the children? What was her reason for walking away from the marriage? Ogechi, how old are you? Ogechi, how old are you? And I saw Ogechi, I saw you because somebody else commented here, and the person called you a fool. Okay? I don't want to call you a fool, but first and foremost, she has right to leave a man who breached the promise. She was 16 years old when they married her. If you marry at age 16, we expect you to get wise in your 20s and leave that marriage. Anybody who doesn't want to wait for you to become an adult to marry you, that person is deceiving you. So Judy did the right thing. Okay? But in any event, Obasi has to pay child support. Obasi can abuse me morning till night. There's only one thing I want. child support, Obasi. You must pay it. You must pay child support.
I'm going to TikTok now.
I expect Judy wants to sue about defamation and all those things. Don't worry, Judy. Don't worry about that. Let's catch him on child support. By the time he pays child support, he will not have money to go and be on podcast. They will ask him. They will ask him, how much did you pay to be on podcast? They spent about 2 million for him to be on that podcast show. But his children have no food, no money for school, no clothing. Shame. That's all I wanted to say. Okay? Judy, you know what to do. Don't waste time crying for useless people. Go to court, child support. Okay? You will pay child support until your first child is 21, until the 2 children are 21. And the court will take note that he did nothing. Let him explain to court. They'll ask him, okay, they denied you access to children. Yes, sir. What did you do? What did you do when they denied you access? Okay. Did you contribute anything? Did you pay anything for the children? Did you? Nothing. So you want the children to starve to death? You want those children to starve to death because they denied you access? Ha! Enough of nonsense, okay? I will focus on child support. We're not talking about access. The court, the same court that Judy will be going to for support. Let Obasi apply for access. Let him tell the judge, I want access. The judge will say, fine, that's all right. Let's make sure you pay support first. Obasi pay 500,000 a month for where? Pay 200,000 for where? He won't pay. He won't pay. You can't be celebrity for mouth. He won't pay. And when he doesn't pay, he will be running. I know those men. He will not like to mention Judy again in his life. He'll be thanking God that Judy has forgotten him. Okay? But so, child support. Pursue that. Thank you.
Emeka Ugwuonye. Emeka Ugwuonye. Why do you hate rejection? Why do you want to force people into your life? Emeka Ugwuonye. Why are you so toxic? Emeka Ugwuonye. Why do you hate people to reject you? Like I reject Hannah against Sobo. Why do you hate rejection? Emeka Ugwuonye, what did May do to you? Emeka Ugwuonye, what did Obasi do to you? Emeka Ugwuonye, why did you hate rejection so much? Why are you a bitter man? Emeka Ugwuonye, I told you, your era to control the universe you thought you are controlling back then is over. They were my beloved people. I have been busy since I came to Maryland. You know, I've been so busy. You guys are highly welcome, my TikTokers. Emeka Ugwuonye, stop chasing cloud. Stop forcing yourself into people that doesn't want you. You are just an opportunist. That is who you are. Emeka Ugwuonye, why are you fighting May and Obasi? The first one, you stated that May Merenka because of May saw through you. May saw that you are there for your personal interests, not for her own interests. You became so furious. Emeka Ugwuonye manamam. You are an abuser. You are a manipulator. You are malicious in nature. You're very dubious. You're not somebody that anybody should have anything to do with. Maybe people don't want to tell you who you are. Emeka Mamgofuma. I know you very, very well. You can't, when any woman in a defend, you abuse women. Emeka Ugwuonye, in a woman abuse. How many women did you sleep with? How many women did you sleep with? And because of this, your DPA. How many women were you able to blackmail back in the days? And every time you come out, I will protect women. I will do this, I will do that, I will do that. Emeka, go and rest. If Judy, eventually because of the frustration that is hitting on her, because of the pressure that she's getting everywhere, and jump into your hands, Judy will do like this. It's only people who does not know you. And Judy will be the most useless woman. Anyway, she's useless already. But she will be on top of uselessness. To even go back to a lawyer that May rejected and start using him. Anything about you around Judy should be avoided. You know desperation. You know Judy is in a hot soup now. What I go? So I'm on Ogechi Okeke videos. Because if you think I cannot read your message, don't worry. I'm your phone. I'm not sure. Don't be push ma. I'm only normal. Emeka is an angry wolf. Emeka Ugwuonye should not be trusted. Oh, now person when don't know you, Emeka Ugwuonye not somebody to be trusted. Oh, don't they talk am? Now people when don't know you. Even a social media lawyer who's looking for an opportunity to make it. Leave Mr. Obasi alone. Leave him alone. Go and look for your own children. How many women gave back to you? Gave back for you, sorry. And how many women gave back for you? You had children all over. Everywhere. Go and handle, because you are using all this your DPA nonsense to intimidate all those women. Go and fix your own family. Too much skeleton in your cupboard and leave. Rest. None of the parties need your help. Stop forcing service into what they don't need. The person will know you. Voy a más de Emeka.
Pero está listo a una contra y nuevamente los sudamericanos intentando ahora por izquierda. Vamos a ver si con esta descolgada de este sector intentan nuevamente seguir.
My cousin pro happen no lo. No here.
Ha tenido mucha pierna en el medio campo y se viene nuevamente Ecuador. Quiere hincapié el centro. Le va a quedar a Yeboah. Ahí Yeboah tiene que tranquilizar la Yeboah.
Ndi kra popo. Yung me bem naga. No go do. No sé quién es, que va a aportar some white. This your cook. Just answer, don't look like. I don't even understand you. Talk more of your English. Richard, did you cook? Cook again. Cook what? Did I cook what? Did I cook again? What the fuck is this guy? I'll block you. Because you're not making sense. Oh yeah. Let me mute you. You're talking out of point. Oh yeah. Stop disturbing me. I just muted you. Get lost. Talking rubbish.
Why are you mad with me? Why did you mute me?
You said what?
Why did you mute me?
Why wouldn't I mute you? Who are you to tell me what to do on my platform?
I'm just asking you. You look so great. You're eating good appetite. I'm asking you if you cook the food. I'm asking the question, my sister.
Your statement is very confusing. I can't even understand what you're saying.
I was asking you if you cook the food.
If I cook the food? No, I bought the food.
All right, that's good. You look so good the way you're eating appetite.
Where are you from?
That's a problem. I'm from Nigeria.
Which part of Nigeria?
Lagos.
You are Yoruba?
I don't want to say too much. Why do you have to say
Are you Yoruba?
Why do I need to say that?
Why wouldn't you say that? You need to identify yourself. You are not a Nigerian. We don't have this kind of accent. We don't speak like you. We don't have that accent. You're not a Nigerian. So stop lying to yourself. You are not a Nigerian.
Africa, you are not a Nigerian.
You are not a Nigerian. Stop deceiving yourself. Nigeria, we have our own accent.
Yeah, we have
I Congo.
I don't care where else you're from, but you're not from Nigeria. I don't care where.
What's the problem?
I don't care where else you're from, but you are a liar.
What's the problem?
The problem is that you are a liar.
To country.
You are a liar.
A liar.
Yeah, you are a liar.
Do you know me? Do you know me to accuse me to be a liar?
Because you're a pure lawyer. You're not from Nigeria. That's where I said you're a liar.
Oh, Mr. Finish show.
You're a liar.
What food is that?
You have a poor network. Why would I talk to you? You don't deserve my reply.
Oh, I am a human being. I am a human being. You can talk to me.
No, you're not. I cannot talk to you. You're not my brother. I can't talk to you. You are a bandit. I can't talk to you. You have a poor communication. You have a poor network. You are a liar. The same time, I don't like you. So fuck off. I'm a Nigerian. You know, like anybody when want thief or do anything, then go claim to be a Nigerian. Nigerian, no. Dala. You think we don't have accent? Particular each tribe have their own accent. Any particular tribe in Nigeria has their own accent. You are from Somalia or whatever, you want to come and claim to be Nigeria because you are hiding where you are from. You want to use Nigerian name to climb. Well, Nigeria, whoa, no. talking nonsense. I am Nigerian. Get the fuck out of here. Let me finish my food before I will come for Emeka Ugwuonye. Emeka, let me wash my hand. Let me even continue to play this your nonsense video. DPA Onyole. Obasi don't want you anymore. Oga, move on. Leave Mr. Obasi alone.
Sometimes
In Nigeria.
The contract has ended.
Okay, listen. We've had a lot of broadcasts today, live sessions today, so many of them. Many of you will begin to wonder, when are we going to stop? Now, there is something important, which this is going to hopefully be my last live session of
It's
this
a lie,
page today.
It's a lie.
But there is important thing I want to explain to you.
No, sure.
I can see from the comments of many of you, my readers,
Very, very
that
toxic
you do
human
not
being. This man,
understand
hey,
how the court
About the wrong
analyzes
very toxic, mental, retired human being.
and child support in the family court.
This man,
Many of you are trying to use common
people
sense
don't know him.
to solve it. It is not common sense, it is
Oh my
law.
God. Very
Permit me this opportunity to explain to you how it works, so you can gain the knowledge, become better informed on the matter. So next time, if you participate in a discussion on these things, you will be speaking from the point of knowledge, not out of ignorance. Now, let me tell you how it works.
I don't have no value.
Whenever the parents of a child are no longer together,
Trying to make sense where
the
there is no sense.
the default position is that the father and mother of a child will be living together and with the child.
Wow.
If they are living together with the child, the issue of custody does not arise, and the issue of support does not arise. If the father and mother of a child are living together with the child, there will be no issue of custody, there will be no issue of support as a matter of law.
Talking rubbish all the time. Trying to make things out of his rubbish
Let me
talking.
take you back to secondary school.
Look at
When you studied history or government in
Emeka
secondary school,
Ugwuonye, leave
they
people
told you
alone.
that there are three different
Leave
arms
people
of government:
alone. Emeka
the
Ugwuonye, happen
executive,
to Madaka.
the legislature, and the
Leave
judiciary.
people in peace.
The judiciary is
Which
the
one
court.
don't you understand?
Settles disputes. The executive administers the state. It manages and administers the society, the community. All right. Unless there is a dispute, a case
Now I get one another ball by 10. Let's walk.
will not go to the judiciary, but it will go to the executive for management.
Emeka Ugwuonye. Emeka Ugwuonye. Zoike. Now let me show you your picture. Let me show your picture and Obasi when Obasi visited you. Because Obasi let me tell you, anybody that comes around you will always notice your errors. Because it's obvious. You're a toxic person. You always like someone you will take advantage of. You're not someone somebody should look up to or somebody should have anything. That is why you're not progressing. See, you've been on social media for how many years? If I can. Emeka Ugwuonye, I knew when you were your group were reigning. I was on social media. We used to chat. We used to communicate. Emeka Ugwuonye, that time, if you feel that you are God on this earth, to Ndi Igbo, to people that are not well learned, because you went to Harvard University, you think every other persons are beneath you, even your learned counsels. You see them as they are nobody. You talk down because you are deceiving people, not telling people that they have taken your Harvard University law certificate. They have taken it away. They did not restate it. That is why you cannot practice in America. That is why you cannot practice here as a lawyer in America. They revoked your license. You can only deceive people in Nigeria. You know? And I've never even seen you walk into the court to defend anybody in the court of law. In all this, your lawyer, your chain, whatever you call it, you are just walking under them. Emeka Ugwuonye, anybody who will frustrately, stupidly, shift, I don't know what word to use, and go with you, that person is doomed. Emeka Ugwuonye, leave people in peace. When people say they don't want your service, understand that. One thing about you, you hate rejection. Your main ego supersede your education, your personality. That ego overshadows you. That's why nobody comes with you and hire you that ends well. DPA lawyers are not a good lawyer to hire, unless if you want to jeopardize your case. They have a lot of bullshit because Emeka is there. The lawyers may be good though, but just because Emeka is there to tell you, oh, I am a DPA lawyer and they are working under me, run for your life. Run for your life. Forget about this long English. Oh. Forget about all this is the Harvard University English, which is the only thing that he has. Any other thing Emeka cannot offer you. Nothing Emeka can offer you in this United States or in Nigeria. Now he's telling. Now Emeka Ugwuonye is busy now telling Judy, oh, come, let me represent you. Oh, but he has to pay child support. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to charge you money. Come, let me be the one to defend you for free. It's a lie, yo. No lawyer in Nigeria will defend you for free. He just wants to law you first and foremost and start the process. So it's even better you pay Emeka Ugwuonye to start than him telling you that you have nothing to pay. As soon as you sign whatever, Emeka Ugwuonye has now beginning to talk. Tomorrow he say, I'm filing this. He's this amount. Emeka Ugwuonye will collect times 7. Emeka Ugwuonye cannot offer you anything for free. So, Judy Austin, you will be the most used. Anyway, you are useless already. So, anyway, you will be on top of uselessness. To see somebody may once rented and dumped, because I'm not going to say he hired him, because he doesn't have the qualification of hiring. That is why people that are on social media, your eyes must be opening on a daily basis. Emeka Ugwuonye has had a lot of scandal that almost 90% are true. But he will use all this in English where he learned in Harvard. Emeka Ugwuonye had children from different women. Somebody that is advising somebody to come and you'll be paying child support. Go and arrange your family. Emeka Ugwuonye, are you married? At this age, can you live with a man under your? Can you live with a woman? Emeka Ugwuonye, are you married? How many women has come into your life and left you because of your violent nature, your abusive nature? Emeka Ugwuonye, you cannot even live with a woman. Talk about of advising another man how to operate, how to do this, what to do. Emeka Ugwuonye, show us how many child support you paid. Show us how many child support you have gotten yourself involved and paid. Emeka Ugwuonye. Ugwuonye, can you leave this case alone? Stop forcing Judy. For Judy to, because Judy is confused, Judy is miserable, Judy don't even know what to do. Everywhere don't scatter. Because what she bargained, or what she expected as soon as she entered this marriage, that she has become a celebrity. Everybody will know that I'm married to Edochie's family. The name that is above other celebrity on social media, I will be top notch. Judy never knew what she bargained for. Judy never knew that a life like this will turn to misery. Even you, as it stands now, I know that you don't even know whether to move, to stay. Yo is even stagnant than Judy. So I will advise you, Emeka. I don't think none of these parties in it. So Judy, if you are stupid enough, I had all this advice. Come to Wednesday. If he don't need any fee, which lawyer will volunteer to? Even the human rights activists. In the process, before you know what is happening, they will collect the money they say they don't collect. Do not listen to this man, Even if you want to hire a lawyer, go to another route, Stay away from Emeka. Emeka is a hook. Emeka hook, Ogi, you are finished. If you like, I'm a full-time bloodly May supporter. If you like, listen to me. If you don't like, tomorrow we go here, kochi. You go here, kochi. You know, say your prick warriors and all these women that have intention of collecting another woman's husband. All these women that are promiscuous in nature. All these are olosho, third wife, 50, 60. They always like to prove that what they did are right. You know, all those women that are desperate. All those retired women we cannot move again. And they believe that, let me capture this one and end my life here. Now you're saying, men, how many Igbo men pay child support? Emeka Ugwuonye, did you pay for any child support? Did you pay for any child support? Didn't you have children outside? Did you pay for any child support, Emeka Ugwuonye? Are you even living with a only woman? All those women you were messing around then, back in the days. Now people went on know you. You know, even Emeka Ugwuonye, I used my fake account and supported you. I was one of your admin. If you like, I go to bring information where you supported you then. All because of that my account. You made me admin without even knowing that I'm one of your admin. You use a real account to talk to me because we were hiding to support you then. Many things went wrong in that DPA. One of my best friends was that's a radical DPA supporter. At least I was once your DPA supporter. We all rallied there, hidden our identity, supported you. We were thinking everything you were doing then were right. But come and see people sending messages, how you slept with them forcefully, how you abusing them, many things that we covered up for you. Emeka Ugwuonye, your stories are not good. You are an intimidator. Anytime that whatever you're looking for did not go your way, you come with a full thunder. How many Igbo men did they pay child support? I want to ask because how many Igbo men have you ever seen pay child support? I want to find out. Nana, you go not say Obasi no they pay child support. Go and rest. Go and rest. Emeka Ugwuonye. If you don't pay child support, Emeka Ugwuonye, put child support. Emeka Ugwuonye, did you pay child support on your own? You put child support. Nobody value you in America. You can't even run any law firm here. Look at your Igbo brothers here doing perfectly well. Oh my God, Nigeria go and rest. Your era has expired. Go and sleep and stop consulting nuisance on all social media. You are so annoying. You are so annoying. Go and rest, Emeka. It's time to retire. You are no longer a child that will be exchanging words with your fans. If your fans talk, look at somebody that say that he is well learned. Look at someone that say he's a lawyer that is well learned, and you are replying everybody, every dick on horn. Emeka, please go and rest. Go and rest. The only time I will call you a lawyer is when you start practicing in America, because you went to school in the United States. They should not revoke your license. That is the only time I know the value of calling you a lawyer merit it. Emeka, you don't have a decent record to reckon with. Leave Obasi in peace. Happy Obasi aka. Hey, you pay child support. Who deprived Obasi from paying that child support? Who deprived Obasi from paying that? And why didn't you, what they call it, Judy, sue Obasi for all this while for not paying child support? If she's not comfortable in what she did, if Obasi is not paying, why didn't Judy call Obasi? Oh, it's time to pay child support. Oh. And you think the judge that will grant such offer, the judge will not ask question, why didn't you reach out to your family? Why didn't you do this? I tried on my part because I don't have the resources. I don't have the money. I couldn't have done this. These are my reasons. They subdue me. They warned me. Even in the process, I tried on my best. I only came online to seek for what? People that were able to help me. How much did you pay to go to podcast? How much did you... How is that your... Did you know whether the podcast called... Do you have evidence that he even paid money? Emeka Ugwuonye. You want evidence that he even paid any money to go to podcast? Did you? Oh my God, this man. Emeka, well, Judy, you know, you like to eat a leftover. You know, your life is leftover. You ate another leftover. And now go and hire this lawyer that is a leftover lawyer too, because me and Obasi has already used the motherfucker. They've already used him, oh. So he's no longer relevant. They're no longer in. So you can go and pick up. I have DPA. Let's provide the lawyer close to you. You heard what Obasi said, oh, your ex. He said all these people that he's calling his lawyer is not their lawyer. Oh. Is Abateke? Is Abateke? Oh, your name. So I don't know what you will law yourself into, but one thing I'm assuring you is that you see this thing he's saying that is for free. No triamo. Emeka Ugwuonye cannot defend you for free. Tomorrow he would tomorrow he will bring can you, which kind of wile be this? Tomorrow now he will tell you, oh, I'm filing this thing. This is what the lawyer, this is what the judge required. We will file it. This is how much it is, 10 million. Oh, this is it. By then, it better you hired himself. It's better you paid him. Emeka is an opportunist. Oh. Emeka have not won anything on this social media. Rather than blackmailing people, women, they did Chisom, Amanda, Chisom, they are about. You heard when they accused him of having Chisom Amanda's nude and all that. You know, that is the kind of thing Amanda Chisom, you heard when he was saying, I have Amanda's nude, I slept with Amanda. This is the kind of man he is. His reputation is messed up. You want to do? I have Amanda's leader, slept with Amanda, Amanda came to my house, blah, blah, blah. Emeka is not somebody to reckon with in times of things like this. Reckon with him in times of Ekon, or one who can akotono. Emeka na akotono. Reckon with him, one akotono na koeri. So that is the cat, but in times of things as sensitive, also get grammar or akujiria, ya labuo. He can't offer anything. He will only... He's looking for customer. You know he's dead. Nobody's listening to him anymore. He's looking to be, you know, at least you don't know people. They are coming on social media. So he will use them for now. That is how he operates. Those of you that will jump into Emeka, Emeka is nothing. Emeka has nothing to ride home. Emeka has nothing to ride home with. He's an empty property, which can never amount to anything positive. Oh, I'm not going to give you the truth. If you like, you try it. You would. Go to Emeka and come back in shame. Oh. Don't fall for it. Oh. Anyhow, you are gone. Don't fall for Emeka trick. Oh. I don't tell you, may look at this person and dump to him. So Judy, you can use the remaining food that we are dumped and make use of for it. That's all I can tell you. Emeka is a no-go area. Emeka is a bitter soul. Emeka hates when women subdue him to nothing. May ridicule to his personality. That is why he cannot forget me anytime soon. He has looked and said all manner of May did not say no May now. If you like a talk from morning to night, May will not talk to you. May will not respond to you. May is not like Judy that talks rubbish. The one saying when I look at Judy, nothing good come out of that woman. No wonder she did not calculate very well before going to snatch another woman's husband. You know? Judy, the mess in Meronwegi we eventually haunt your children in future. Because let me tell you, you can only pretend like all is well. You can only manage the situation because of what people, he will face another jungle justice on social media. And he will remain there. But trust me, if anything happened to you, if anything today happened to you, you look, oh, yo is gone. My sister. My sister. I don't know which aisle you will take to survive it. Make sure that all this game you are playing, all this rough, you are roughing and all this stress. Make sure everything will end in peace. Oh. And the way I'm seeing you cannot take it to the end. That marriage will end up scattering. Because you scattered another woman's peace. So I don't pray for your own home to stay. The only home I will pray to stay is when you go back again and marry a single man. Go and marry a single man. That is the only time I will pray for you to be at peace. So rather than that, Judy, wish go. All the tears you made me pass through. I saw Ndo to get all these single women. All these opportunists. Oh, the hate is too much on Judy. Thank you for coming for Judy. All the ladies people. Are you guys mad? Is that how you guys forget so soon? Oh, the pressure is too much on Judy. There's too much. I'm busy. I can't me focus on this because I need to say until this podcast, until Judah Pota, I wanted to deliberate on the case. Kampu putere give we are Judy. We are busy. Why I know get making yanga. Why I know get making yanga. Jesus loved me and hates me. Oh. He loves me more than Gamaduluzurumaya. Judy Aputana Guebu. Somebody lost her son. Judy started jubilating. You didn't keep quiet. That one wasn't there. Every day you dance like Chekeleke, who does not know whether to go left and right. You dance, you sing, you sang, you. Hey! Is that how wickedness? Is that you? Is that you? Is that you? You jubilated on this woman pain. You couldn't even say anything. Oh my God. Judy Potarago. Egbelam ji iwe imere this woman pụtara. Don't provoke me, oh. Just face what you cut for yourself. Don't even start, oh. Egbelam ji just dedicate here. Full time may support us, oh. You are a monster. Iwamusu. Why are you this wicked? It is very wicked. Anybody that's supporting you is an evil seed like you. I have to be honest with you. Sometimes when the comments I go to their profile, some of them are way aged. But some of them are third wives, second wives, honeymoon. Thank you, my sister. Third wives, second wives, they have scattered families. Honeymoon, my sister, and that woman endured many things. That woman endured many things. This amusu every day I go with you. I wouldn't know meditate ya hide the goody. Can you susu we on susu? But she will be the champion. She'll be championing the process. She'll be championing it. She'll be supporting what is wrong is wrong. Yeah, Chawotula, Yamukabo, Yamukabo, Yamuka, no be a competition of Emma. Okay, now, what is the game? Emo China and Abamja who gave it everywhere is shaking. When are you na so you want to and you make it in here apple or got a lot of 1 week. Yamureba, another woman and you peace. If you don't know it's now. You can see peace is no longer on your side. And this is what I'm going to your condition, your evil, everything in Atra, Kuchigo on. Even you cannot even have the guts. 90% of persons are against you. We know you're dealing with the heat, but for you to have the guts to come out, open your mouth straight up and say, "This is what you is doing to me." You can't. Who you go lay complaint to? Nigga, I'm silent. You even you get me yagging go get make yourself. Now people go they beg. Oh God of Nazareth, every seed you sowed, every evil you planted against this woman, you will repeat. And don't get more affects. It's in the Bible na to ashe. Ne mehin kenden na get so kumo ha. Thank God he go through the life now. God just brought out Obasi for your own weapon of destruction. Because so begin Obasi not come on social media. He can't speak. He can't talk anything. Nobody's gonna listen to him. You never knew that a rejected stone has become the chief corners of Ghana. You see how this life they roll. Obasi kwechiri. Obasi kwechiri ne be Judy. You may not even mention her name anymore because people have known who you're. If they want to use that to threatening you, you want to go kwechiri. Even gather little money, go to China, bring out your product. People go support you. Anything that will happen will happen. Bring out money. Look for a business that will sustain you to fight this monster. All this Emeka is just a social media rejected lawyer. He might get rejected like this on a way. Emeka hates rejection. We have known him for years. We need no battle or silent and they couldn't talk. We know Emeka. Forget about it. Emeka is the Ochoga customer. Judy, like I said, Imanina like he don't like reject the Ghana area. He will some put our dump again. Judy wicked. Anything that will give anything he can make it give back. I am with it. It's so who shine on a me no to la tag. So gaba so you on any game make ya. Anything that will give you pain, Ogechi, I will support it. Anybody may take a better, that person can permit somebody. Because all we do to give. What are we for? I have no. I don't care. I don't care. Because any animal who's in that way can the limbs herself. I just look because anything you support shows the kind of heart you have. Anything you eat, but really show the kind of heart you have. There is nothing good about you. There is nothing good about you. I have to be honest with you. I have nothing good about you, Judy. Judy won't borrow jaw. I'm not doing this for people to follow me. I'm not, you know me since when they do me thing, I know they join on her, but I love her as a sister. I'm doing it because enough is wrong. For you coming out again to defend and call on Mr. Obasi deadbeat. I have told people, let's start calling your children deadbeat products. Because your children are deadbeat. If you can describe the father of your children deadbeat, that means you have a deadbeat children. Those deadbeat children you get back to because you are the one that initiated the name. If you don't know what you did, deadbeat children you get back to. So Judy, you opened your toto for a deadbeat man. That means you're a deadbeat woman because that deadbeat man, deadbeat woman like you. They're going to know about Mr. Obasi deadbeat. You are the men deadbeats. You are the men deadbeats. So those deadbeat children, because you are the one that gave us the name to describe that man. So that deadbeat children you gave back to, make sure you don't spoil their mind. I pray to God that they don't have the kind of heart in money. And another thing, Mr. Obasi need to sue you guys for depriving him from reaching to his own kids. If Emeka is telling you to sue Mr. Obasi for child support, hello, Mr. Obasi will sue you for the emotional trauma, for the everything that you guys did to him, for depriving. Even Mr. Obasi, I came across a place where Mr. Obasi was saying that even the police station he went to report that Judy and you was busy threatening him. So he will have to go back there again and get his evidence. And told them I made all necessary effort because I don't have anybody. Now I'm speaking. Telling him they sue you for child support for. That you allowed him to pay the child support or you block all access. This man, he made an attempt to reach out to his own kids. You deadbeat woman decided to block because of you and you. I'm just shaking you ain't way sense. That's why sometimes when he talk in public, I shake my head. A man got on a podcast. Where put it? In your last week, because as evidence and I support me. Fishing. No. No, May has, let me tell you, May has a lot to say, but she chose to keep quiet. Yeah. Even Judy is not happy in that marriage, but she has no choice. I swear with God, even Judy has noticed what May endured for years. But Judy are not in a position to open now. Who even listen to Judy? When I'm at the situation, Judy not. Judy no in a big deadbeat miss. my goodness. Oh my goodness. Unama, what's going on? You don't know what's going on? I'm gonna tell you. Even Judy, no, a big mess in Dangmari. Oh, so this was what May handled and endured without uttering a word. Hey, you're one cigar. You're one mama go single. Or mama, no with your bus. Or not just to single, look for somebody. Single, Malono. Judy may porno. Family Judy may porno. But you can Judy she bury her every morning and night. Eh? Oh my God. Emeka Ugwuonye, go and rest. Your era has expired. Emeka Ugwuonye, leave me in peace. Emeka Ugwuonye, leave Obasi in peace. All your efforts to lure Obasi into your deadbeat lawyer movement. Mr. Obasi discovered that you are not who he thought. Oh, leave them alone. Go and cater for your own children. Show us your wife. We want to see your wife. We want to see the family issue. Why won't Obasi bring mouth to you? Who the fuck are you? Okay, level, you don't have level. Your level has gone. Go inside. Deal with your misery lifestyle. The way you fucked up. You don't fuck up. You don't fuck up. Okay? You are a hustler. But one day, business is kurako. Business is kurako. Yo, you man, you got advice. Outside the general model. And the child, wife, no, you look at what you're gonna do. Elena, people are loving Liz. People are loving her. He get one peace of mind if he marry Liz now. I swear to God. Elohana main nation we soft pedal on your matter. Face a Judy man. Yo, Zori Shonwegi. Yo, Zori Shonwegi. Yo, I swear Zori Shonwegi. Kizu Ike. Look at you now, you're not stagnant, you're no longer moving. You're no longer moving. Somebody brew bad luck, I swear to God, they won't hear it. Because something is not right. Something is not right. And that thing here now, small. I swear to God, yo, if you get grab war, Lizzie now, lawyer, and lawyer. You know what's gonna happen? Your sorrow will subpedal. We will not chase you to punish you anymore. You have peace. You go, baby.
My love.
You're welcome. I did. I'm telling you.
Good morning. Esther, I greet you.
Hey, what I go? So, we will advise you. Jealolis. Elo yama. Problem ugebe. Fighting in a gala Judy. Anya biamaya ho. Biamaya ho. I swear. Just meya. Iga ho. Your life will change automatically. Makachi. Iga ho paya. Yo. Yo. Kaje luru Liz.
Hello, Lizzie.
Yeah, so Lizzie. Jello Lizzie. Gello Lizzie now. What a problem mean for Judy. Judy face my anana. I'm telling you the truth. That's the best thing you will do for yourself.
Ya hara Judy na jeloka.
Ashim she ha japu Judy. Ya luma Judy luma ya. Ya luma ya. Eh?
No chori ibu ya.
Judy o ya buru nwa me. O Judy buru nwa me.
Lele bo jibo ojoku ibu.
So man me jega through that thing. Ya na agu egwu na Chineke me na ye oma o. So oma hu na somebody was busy morning.
O jibo ya.
O bo shiri gbo ya no. Ole ka igeje egbu Judy. O gba ya lo nwaanyi ozo. O ba igeje egbu ya ke.
Mba yen puga wo she o me Judy jibo nwa me o.
Yes, o ba hu. Yeah. O ba hu. And the bite kwa shine choro chai gbo ya wo ba igeje nye you support. Ya je luo
Lizzy shaye we here chori we ho jiri you.
Yeah, don't worry. Ya je another person.
Na ga force.
Ashimi ya you je another person. Judy kula ya je another person. Ashe.
Anga Judy no.
Ashe. Aba yo Judy na ya na enwe ihe jikọrọ ya na Judy the first time e gidere nwe.
Awu kwa achi aka o dinari maka court ejega na.
Before they won apete in public o. There was a time me ekwurushi na ya jụrụ ya she nwere ihe jikọrọ ya na this woman ya she mba. Obeje bido aga na edinaye until the day ọ ga-akpasuru. Iwotago? So I don't have he like game Judy no in pen and support of it. No like Judy, the nightmare, the pain, agame anomia support. Joamo.
Apart from Judy na me na high pugana. Apart from Judy na me na high pugana. Judy kibia na mona Dr. Ugo MMA. Anya ba that deep. Give Roma can happen to give Roma can happen Dr. Ugo. You give me fear.
Of course. Why wouldn't I leave Dr. Ugo?
Why is it happy?
Why am I gonna happy?
Then he happy like him. You can fight for what?
I cannot fight. I can see. Oh, when you're in the withstand that problem. Me not in the process of fighting it. Judy Judy is demonic. Judy is diabolic. Judy will go any length.
Antioge.
Ma Judy.
I greet you all my people.
These people are diabolic. But always joke now. When they want, where's the one? Where's the one? That's true. Oh. Are we now who are the woman online? You name is the one. Are we now who are we now here?
Online name is the one.
Attend Judy.
Yeah, exactly. It's the one.
It's the one you if it's a dedicated, dedicated room Judy. All dedicated room Judy is the one. Ya be pru ya na no. Agam hunu n'anya. Ya ni they are highly as the one.
All dedicated they want to water as the one in million.
As the one in million.
No, but we are beyond Mogo, but much to be on Mogo dedicated they want to.
So as the one in million. Kem hunu n'anya na abuo. I'm listening. Ma Judy.
Ma Judy.
So that means you don't online. That means you don't follow them. Yeah, before you walk a storm. I don't get to my chair. I don't know. Oh man, I can walk out. You have a musia storm. Musika storm. Kona be puta.
Okay, I'm going to keep something. I happen Judy na here Pugahona. Don't you think me? But she didn't wait time before me, Yana.
She went give him a wait time before me. Give him a one time before me. Umiana school, she's taking care of them. A woman that is yes.
Okay, happen while I just relax as Sammy and Jugaga.
You come now, Juno, give him a taking care of me.
I have sentiment now.
And when sentiment,
do you know why I asked that question? Me is Anum Lagos Ota, Anum Calabar, I just some Giamanagaba, Anum Calabar, Anum Muyo, Anum Muyo, Anum Maybe. Then what whatever we told me. Let me finish what I'm saying. Mistakenly now, then when I bought 2 years and went to Jimmy at Fia, but then all of us will still come out and mention Judy. Let me know a woman. You don't have time for your children. You only put them in a boarding school. Then you will have their needs. And then when you're home now, carry away.
Excuse me, is she not an adult?
Okay,
is she not an adult? Let me tell you. No. Listen to me. Let me tell you. Daniel is an adult. Daniel decide. The angel one deciding when you work it to that cannot prevent her.
You can prevent it.
It's a lie. I cannot. Daniel Akuchana University. Angel one na Chepa University. Angel, no. Angel Chepa University.
Western world and our Igbo land is not the same.
Excuse me, Bright. Wait. Mado Lennon and Nigeria were virgin.
It's never
Mado Lennon and Nigeria. When the years are wallet, it is virgin and Nigeria.
These ones are still the independence.
Which good ones? Daniel Aguchago University. How old is Daniel? How old is Daniel? How old is Daniel? How old is Daniel?
Okay.
No, Joe, how old is Daniel? How old is Daniel? No, we have to balance it. Now, how old is Daniel?
Okay, why I mentioned Daniel?
Yes. How old is answer me? How old is Daniel? Okay.
Daniel, as of this year, is 20 years.
It's a lie.
Daniel, as of this year,
Daniel, are you 20 years to finish your university? You can never be 20 years and finish university. It's a lie. It's a lie. She may be around 25 years or 23.
Hey, Ogechi, don't go there.
You cannot be 20. You cannot be 20 and finish university.
25.
You cannot be 20 and finish university.
5 years.
Only if you go
you cannot be 20 years and finish university.
From comment section, that's not 20 years for the from comment section. I'm not sure.
I am not sure that only 20 years and finish university at the age of 20 years. What age goes is Riban?
Okay, no.
How age goes is Riban University?
No, 16.
Hey. Daniel cannot be 20 years and finish university.
In Nigeria,
No. Daniel, at least 21, 22. I can agree 21, 22. But any child will rule at that age, Anna Luti at the age of 20. Anna Luti at the age of 21. I'm just telling you the truth. She is an adult. She can date at the age of 18. And then look at age. No. We gave an answer. Wait.
Nigerian system is different.
Okay, fine. Or therefore 21. Or therefore 21 years. You should know when a boyfriend.
How we do our thing now?
How do we do our thing? And the woman in the age of 21 cannot get married.
By our culture.
A woman in the man at what age?
I'm with a culture.
Man, at what a culture when you are of age at 18, 19, Galodio. Upper culture. That is what I'm saying. 18, 15, 14, Eloladi. Owani can break to go. If Daniel is 18 years,
which time?
Even our mothers got married on time. People can allude you now. 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 What do you mean, Kahashi lawyer?
Okay, come on down.
It's not like our mother's time.
Come on down.
I'll get another shit. Daniel, when you work, Daniel is not of age when you work. And at that age, Aluma be then. At that age. If you know I can't remember the year. That's not what I'm keeping off for. I can't remember. That's not what I'm keeping. Now, I want to hear Joromoshe. Now, May is not taking care of her children. That May Wariga. How do you want her to feed those children? How do you want her to cater for them? Chere, how do you want her to take care of those children when the father that's supposed to be taking care of her? Chere, when they no, Bright, I'm ready to answer those questions. So I'm ready. Oh, wait. Oh God. Chere no maso go give me another dream to that me.
She's an influencer. That's
Now listen, May is an influencer. May goes around. May when with a product, May cannot sit one place and take care of those kids. You cannot afford to do anything.
One of those kids.
All this wheelchair. I won't go to get go here no man. I won't go to get go here no man. I wanna get organo you happy buru because of you. Organo you happy buru.
This program now, we're working with Ugashi to take your Obasi to court.
Yes.
Are you telling me that you, Edochie, is not providing for those kids? May I get it?
And what do you okay, have you ever seen May come out? Have you ever seen May come out to say anything regarding about you? Have you ever seen where May come out?
May and May Nation, we know, cannot keep short. Yamayu Edochie is not.
If May is not passing information to them, how would they know?
Jesus Christ.
If May is not passing information to them, how would they know?
Who are the people sponsoring Obasi?
Who is sponsoring Obasi? Do you have evidence? Do you have any evidence that people are sponsoring Obasi? Because he spoke up.
So,
May is not providing Shengwai. May just will decide to mind business and focus on her kids and do the right thing because she has become a single mother who cannot sit down. And I want you. Give me go for. I didn't hear him in the Bright. I didn't hear him. Okay, get a kid to the comment. Get a kid to the comment.
It's a movie with Tego Maka problem. It's a movie to go Maka school.
Get with the problem.
They call modality care.
Which modality care? How many single mother of in America where we base? In America where we base? Before you make ends meet to put your children in a better school, you will not set your eyes on them several times. Several times. You cannot be a single mother and sit one place and make ends meet for your children.
With your own child, please allow me to hustle. Hustle, my dear. We know I'm right.
Let me tell you, Bright. Let me tell you, this America. Let me tell you this, America.
While their mothers contribute together by mothers
what do you mean by give him a father say May is taking care of her children. That on her put all the time. That on her put all the time. We go shiki le kwebe no leto mu. Le kwebe leto mu ha o. Single mothers ana ha no fuebe. They put everything in order to take care of their children.
You know.
Bryce.
Ima de here na ko. Bryce.
one by one.
Thank you.
Okay, one reason. Fortunate, when I'm telling you, fortunate, any woman or a married woman, in home. Every time, I hold in Afghanistan, I hold in Pakistan, I hold in China, I hold in Nah, you are not a good mother. I will say you are not a good mother.
Oh my God.
Fortunate,
wait. Fortunate, can you listen to me?
Okay, excuse me. Let me say something. Okay, let me say something. Right. See now, I'm not.
all these actresses started making Hollywood. And I don't about this actress started making now.
And I don't want story. Oh, yeah, you were a primitive guy. You were a primitive guy, so that's what I expected you to say. Primitive man who always sound like this.
These people cannot support
Bright, you cannot say about Buko and Ambo. Don't want to get a reason like this. This is the Buko like this. You cannot reason like this on this modern age.
Because onye sigam reason like this.
Because if she about Buko and Ambo. If she about Buko and Ambo. No. You cannot say about Buko and Ambo. You cannot say about Buko and Ambo. You cannot say about Buko and Ambo. No, Bright, you just insulted somebody. If you don't like, is it gonna? But why would you use that word on her? One, Bright.
Right. Fortunately, give you that side. Bright, you open no fan with the
okay, fine, but okay, that's fine, no problem. Now listen, to my own standing now, in America, you know, single mothers hardly set their eyes on their children. Because if you don't go out there to work, nobody will take care of it. Even in Nigeria, single mothers hardly set their eyes. And I don't pro their mother, their loved ones, their sisters.
Sweetheart.
No. Let me tell you. Anna Let get him. No, letter. Nobody. Letter. I am telling you. Who is insulting you? Nah, Bright, every little thing you get upset. I don't understand, but it's okay. That's your lifestyle.
Sweetheart, because we just normal arguments.
Oh, no. Happy Bright. Because Bright and this sensitive in topic. They happy.
This happy. First son, no. That boy
no, how Buruya? How would you do Buruya?
Yes, Oye ball. He's slumped.
Estamba, oh Judy Buruya.
Oh Judy Buruya, because all your butter on the yes. Oh yeah, Buruya.
Judy Buruya.
Yes, it was an attack.
Yes. Oh, are there Buruya? Aya Buruya. Judy Buruya. Judy Buruya. Oh, Buru the boy. Buruya. Oh yeah, Buruya. No doubt, no two ways about it. Aya Buruya.
You know, the so called for.
And the Potagwana Guana rejoice you. Now, on top of somebody, oh, Judy, I wish you everything you did to me. Makachi, I wish you everything you did to me, Judy.
This girl, Omorechi Garaga. Judy Morechi Garaga. Women apart from Cambiri, Candela, and why walk around. Women don't walk also.
Oh, yeah?
3.
Oh, 3 boys and a girl.
And a girl now.
Yes. It doesn't matter. You let them marriage them when I reasons. I'm going to give you reason. Yes. I am a reason. Actually, with the remaining ones, may well have so in the blood of Jesus or get the remaining 3. Yes. Plan and he wouldn't take it now, because me will so in the blood of Jesus. But that thing, man, my head church and I make who were alone, we are seeing more about Jesus. I'm messy again. Eh? May is not a murderer. May have put everything for God. Yes, Judy Burian, Judy is a murderer. Judy Burian. I'm telling you the truth, not two words about it.
I don't see the reason why Kehaji is so serious. Do you know why I say this?
Why?
Then Nani had no more than 10 wives. I want to one. Na even been in Lagos. Come here, give this story now. Judy Austin is nowhere related to May. Judy May never invited Judy into her home. Rather, Dia were la mogologo ya. Choro nwanya ahu ba na movie industry. Sweetheart, I'm supporting Judy. Gakuma kante.
Kumanu bebe. Always supporter of Judy now. Oh, baby, go is a supporter of Judy.
No, I am not supporting Judy. I'm straight.
No, you're not straight to baby Naja. No, you're not straight. In our support to Judy can more.
I'm straight.
No, you were supporter of Judy.
My Judy, my May. 3 of them and 1 them support.
Not support to get May.
Do you know why?
Cannot support 3. Like,
do you know why? Ask Gentleman Fuchano, do you know why? Why I will not support any of them is then Nananya Lulu Tutundum Hani Nebiro to you Udachia but generation Anye Digi Mahanaboji when you want you got Thomas the Wupia Anya.
Oh, make it again before you proceed.
Okay. Now, in this case, May, and she related to Judy. May, when Judy has girl there, or now anything related to them. This guy and the lady met outside. Now, what would you feel? How would you feel that a woman will get a housemaid? What about Oyo? She has a dinner housemaid. From there, yeah, sure, lawyer. So she may would one ya. Ebeti ya about that housemaid. Luma housemaid, yeah, Poroma housemaid, she chineke Bojengo, ya Poroma, ya Papa no, your Haporo housemaid, dear. Do you think it's gonna work that way?
Why won't he work that way? Why won't he work that way?
Ask a question.
Yes, it will. Why won't he work that way? Yeah, he condescend to that level. Lay house help. Rub it on my face. Continue on. If I am the because mpa yo potara, that may is almost 90% of that thing, anything in that house, not that lady now contribute here. No, you will be breadwinner. Oh, put your wood or no? So the years, do you know what? Pete Edochie. Oh no, what she guys? If I'm lying, please. Because if I'm lying,
I rest my case.
No, I'm telling you the facts. Do you know why people still respect Pete Edochie? Because I can eat a long time ago. Oh, because of this. Do you know why almost the whole family just supporting me? It's not true. Men with a supermarket, men with a businesses, men with a computer engineer, men with a computer wizard.
Olive, hold on. You Lulu Judy Lulu May do Mel, she ben na ya burego. Do you
know that umunene need be rich? Do you know that umunene need not abroad and work the porn on Nigeria? Do you know that? What me was men with a business is all on. Where you was busy borrowing money from me. Everything is online. Nobody is hiding it. The information is there. Man was the engine behind that family. Man with a supermarket. Man with a businesses. Man, if he came out to that business, went down. When he was busy married to this man. everything in online. That confirm ya. If you maybe a computer with a computer illiterate, computer literate, not illiterate, computer literate. Our wizard. May was online business. Where this lady Hakaya? May build that family. Online. We hand so baby, do your research is there. Even about the fact she was not a housewife. She have never been just that she's not a public person then. She was on the ground building the empire for this man. Me wasn't a liability like Judy. Judy has nothing doing. Hey, sweetheart, let me call her. Now, is she okay?
That's not why I the village, you know.
How many men?
I got top your account. They don't know you.
I want you.
Every bandit na Facebook.
Onega take your account.
Oh no, but I always brave. I just say brave. Oh, Judas done now. Judas.
Okay, Jude. Now, is she again? Then a lot of our women were illiterate. A lot of our women does not know their rights. They think it's a cultural thing where they will marry you, another woman is entitled to join you. They made them stupid like that. Now,
Ogechi, with the breadwinner, when the kids are Hannah,
no, get what here because they have not divorced yet. They have not divorced yet. They have not divorced. The last name it means nothing. They can remove it and still make. They have not divorced yet. Let them divorce. That's not true. Woman cannot kill all her children because of divorce. You are entitled. You are entitled to retain the last name, or you remove it. No law said that you must remove it.
Twins. Paul Okoye divorce.
That you must remove the name. Master Chagem Soroge. Those our mothers then were illiterate.
They like only quite finalized though. The divorce has been.
No, they have not finished. I think it
was last month.
Okay, last month I finalized it, yeah? Okay. May is entitled to keep the last name or yeah, change here. May can leave the last name without removing it. Okay, February, thank God.
She should.
No, she should not. It's up to her. It's up to her. It's up to her to retain the name or to remove it. She can keep the name for the for the name. Men with every right to keep the name or remove it. And when any legal means you must remove. No, she don't have to. She don't have to. After because of her peace of mind, so she can live again to train her children.
So her peace of mind should get to the name.
No, her peace of mind has nothing to do with the name. Her peace of mind to remove herself from that toxic environment. From that toxic environment. Her children have to know that this is Edochie. That's where you came out from. She has no right to remove it. And when anybody mega nothing. That's her brand. That's her brand. Now, second wife, God forbid. I will not agree. I contribute to then I will allow another woman to come and enjoy. I will not agree. I can't
Onye wa ha no today.
Onye wa ha no obole.
Aha me ano today.
I don't understand. Okay, you because of Aluzri me, you weapon as a Edochie. Then I got lose it.
What are him puga?
No, I am issue because of your head no me. No. Get no man guy walla one. Whenever you marry someone, you become one. And we want keep here. I want you to understand this fact. Ya woman will governor. Get I want to give the same. That is why you went first lady.
You can here in America.
No, we in America. That is what the law stated. That whenever you're nobody pay child support when you are married.
Still they answer her ex-husband's son.
You want to go? No, see, they don't have man. Good on you have the same standard in life. And what you hear who? Nobody made who. The point is that if it's no longer working, I'm not in any obligation to change my last name. It's up to me. It's not left for me to do it. Build something with my brand. I cannot change it. Because of it's a brand I built. All the name. It's quite unfortunate or him, but that's my brand. I will not remove it. Go nowhere. So like we were saying the questions you asked me, Basara, before, because that is where we are cultured. Okay, she brainwashed and then that it's good for your husband to marry more than one wife. I got loan 10, a loan 20. Then I may accommodate. Now, as time progress, era upon era, like generation upon generation, and I cannot be subdued to nothing. I cannot be belittled because of this. They are well informed, they are educated. Women are being human. No. That is not how we should be treated, though. We are bigger than this. We are better than this, so we cannot be subdued and not satisfied. Okay? Yana when they are original Menka. Now, under their no, it doesn't work like that. I can we'll go baby for about again.
Let me change it.
Okay. Women are shimbao. Enough is enough. Our women, our mother suffered it. That doesn't mean that I will suffer it. No, I can't take this anymore. Our mother suffered it. That doesn't mean that I will suffer it. You want to no, I'm right. I can't take this anymore. By then, how much are we here again? Ogechi again. Oh, everything that the life you can marry 20 wives, but a woman ain't her right to stand on her own, or to speak up, or to do anything. Now, I cannot be subdued to this. I cannot be little. I cannot be numbered. Not anymore. Go. Another woman I got just better in our midst. It's not gonna work like it doesn't work like that anymore. If you want to live as our mother back days, get call to internet. Go back to that era. You want to go? Where there is no electricity, where there is no nothing. Those things that made us, you cut it off and go back to that era. We are now 2020, again 6. Where things are right, where roboto, China, technology has changed everything. Where the when had the Facebook, and when the anywhere where people know what is right and what is wrong. Only to live back then. Back then. There were no education then, where people got money left and right. So every era that comes out, the new thing that comes with it. On how walk like that. Every 10 years, the new generation are with their own mentality. I am a bright every time bright and I complain. If you want to live that life, go back to that era. Because it's that mentality got a problem now this generation. Keep upgrading because education will leave you behind. Keep upgrading your skills. Things leave behind. I'm not here computer then. How am I here computer? How am I here phone? How am I here many things? Women are mepelanya. They are not well informed. This set, magician one more or get one boyfriend. Oh no, angel one deciding with boyfriend. I Ogechi can't stop her. Many how I have one police name restriction order. But then I am home. I would then lose or will accommodate what I see. That's how life works. But thank God that to all one Jiriaka Zuonwe, Jiriaka Tilo Shembao, I want to focus on my education. But if she decide Otoka wufeji ruona. Mommy, I'm 18. I can have a boyfriend. I can't do shambang. I can only give her advice and accommodate her because it may with a restriction order. Ban Domo from reaching out to her. She's 18. And I will understand what I'm doing to myself. I can make her in Nigeria now. I get required 18 national communication with a restriction order in courts. Things have changed. It's no longer like we used to know. Many laws are now being implemented though. So things we see before. I'm a reason. I'm a G. He had an okay money to Ghana because he may you. I gonna leg as you sure for the game. I gonna yes. No, I swear to God. I gonna leg as no. Can't you go back to that era? Gonna have an apata. A baby ni more here. Gina gaga parampanaka. Nan panaka came as light. Imagine here with generator then. Oh, where I got a nan and pampania. And then I say, Ugwebike, Emugo Mugamushe, Ijewa, Makoromuni, Nanyaga coin, without thinking about what is the future of these children. Now, how many kids are people are giving back to? Only more 2 more 3 years will land to Ike. Zona Zopota here. Back in the days, and I'm getting 12, 11, 15. Don't get them be saying one. You want to know Yamu? I should do Ugwebike.
But this Queen May, she has one kind of special grace. Okay, in Abia, Nigeria, Obasi Okeke divorce go, but her own case each time, and Yawabonye man, Umuoki will put her support. So,
you know why? One reason, you know why? You are influence, you then intimidate me because all an actor. People, which although they can come up with 2 and give their own opinion. Now, you know why? You was loved by many. People loved you because of his
Nancy, may you have Judy in your life. May you have Judy as your second.
No, you very may intimidate as an actor. What this is what I am polygamous. That's okay. So because of one Ghana and then why are Gani me? About and then Maduji Shimba. I got my table body shim for this woman. And then why are no mock to her in the name of Igwe together. In the name of we celebrate. Judy Apotara love for Yamoto Judy.
Yeah.
I think your program is what I will take personal. It remain. And I'm pushing it remain in me. It very mean. No matter what. Come and help you, Susu woman. Get remain in silence. If you don't even need to utter a word. You jubilated, you celebrated. Judy!
My God loves me. Because just 2 days, no. It's not.
Yeah, Woroma. I have a problem. You pop your court to share weapon and neck, and the court wear that to wear right you whip ya. That was one of the things you requested for me to remove the name. The under the law is not left for her. It's not left for her to do that. That no law, Giyashi. You must change the name. Oh, am I not what is? Oh shit! One on my phone.
Amen. We accept.
Okay. What I go? So the better we understand that but Bobo. Bola chimoke ma nwoke kachi be amma. Nwoke kachi be amma.
Biko oge nwoke ya nọ n'elu solo gịnị wa ha nna m iwe onye ogbu ị na-ekwu okwu
mba aka nọ m here Wednesday ka mma ama No, I should one day work at him so well. I put on your gri. Okay. Now the guy there is so well. Came up for a banana engine or sweet care, but man, so for them off.
No wonder.
Yan then you work for form.
One day be your joy.
I dogala him, she wake him, Gakam Gam. Make him junior like Mojama. Made weekend. The man's a
weekend.
Then where's your man, Mamma? Oh, yeah, Bozuzule, Arim Mozi Gaman invite Makawani Zuno.
Oh, I'm saying anything crack and a dome, and we won't go say for a
Go, baby, or president of coordinator.
I'm other side of the game always available. You quite can remember those.
Because that message should be going. Peter, no, dear, Peter was assistant president. Alisa wo deputy president, which an opposition secretary, all of them. So mwabia mepela nzo. Akuka wanya wa akuka ni dire banketa ya. Biko ewatala Peter akokwala ngishigi me research for other places. Peter no downstairs. You comment. Okay. So I chọrọ ya pụta bịa zọrọ ọnụ ya. I chọrọ shi ya pụta bịa zọrọ ọnụ ya. We are not keeping quiet for even if 12 years.
Now what's now I nigga one I suspend the give side my mom keshi mom ya kala.
Onye suspend the other side again.
Don't mind the stupid lie.
Onye?
Ela unyara how ka unyara shaizaga Lamborghini. That dwarf.
Now suspend the gonye.
Dwarf brejega Peter warning. Apoga nyega come warning.
Na gini menekwan.
Oshi Peter no okpachana ochele no me happy me again ka ho.
Pim na gini menekwan. Peter yana Peter segoku.
Lapo onya adre mpo lapo dwarf ozu nwa onna ewoto okwu ebe a. Ozu onwe ina me ona otogano tisi.
But Peter, what? You know the problem.
Na nke buzozu ka bia. Buzozu na ndị nke enwe problem. Wetu buzozu ya ma adọ gira pụa. Ọgụchakwa. Mmadụ na buzozu nwe problem n'ọzọ ebe ahụ. Aka ji akụ. Ha chatụrụ ko ozugbo. Nwekwe. Otu ya ọzọ ikwu. Meche fọmụ n'ugo obere aja. Ọgwụkwọ kwe. Amamonye ọ bụ. Otogano tisi oge malụgo na atogano tisi onye adịrị important. Ọgwa m ngwakwuru ya. Ihe ọmụ na onwe ọmụ na-akọ. Ome ihe gị katụrụ nwa nwere ebe ọ na-eje. Onwe ihe onye nche. Ọka ọ bụla na-ewu. Ọka ndị be ndị nke zuru ụzọ ha na-agba nkịtị nwa o ji zuzuru ezu. Ọ dị ka na-atụ ụjọ. Very useless woman being na-akọ iri. Ime ihe ahụ ọchị ime. Sị ịkpọ ya afa. Kedu mbọsị mgbe ọ ga-afa?
Ịgbakwara na ya ha gịnị ọ na-esikwa n'okwu.
Peter akpọkwara ya enweghị gbasara ya. Ọ jọsị gị ga-akpa n'ilo.
Nwanyị ọrụ na ya.
Onye nzuzo. Ya je screenshot of photo Peter Doma.
Just
isuzu. I'm telling you, ndị mmadụ ekwumasị ma ọzọ ga-eme were ya tiga were ketiga shi Peter wee no.
Amani ya mmini, amani ya na-atụ n'ụtụ.
Eji.
Onye na-amara agbasa gapụta na-akọgharị ọnụ. Onye ọ na-eme ndị mmadụ ebe a. Ya. Ọnwa na-go ni from Facebook. Ka ihe onye a ga-eme. O mee na-ebute m ya na o mee mọtụarị, amewanụ mọtụarị. Onye ọ na-ezuzugharị.
Ọmakwa na anyị emegala ka anyị ka.
Oge ebe na mekwa na anyị na ọja wọ ọnụ gị.
Onye ebe na ọ dị egwu, ọ dị ebe.
I nọ na life m yesterday, he were the news. Ya bịakwa na life m ahụla m ya na comment, o ji Lamborghini backup. So from there dị ka ndị ahụrụ ya kwumazie the ten. Ọ bịara ile mma Peter ọnụ dị akọ gị na don't understand. Je play ma video ihe mere na cable so
Chọm ka
Ọmaka ọma aha. O ye play video na ihe mere na cable so yesterday. Ọkwa ma ha ndị mmadụ chọ gbawala m. Onye notisiri ya.
Gịnị mere na nke bụ yesterday? Gịnị mere na nke bụ yesterday?
I mechere ebere warm up.
I mere warm up yesterday there.
Abagwa m tinye nwa ahụ. Uji ndị nke bụ ụzọ na ndị nke nwere misunderstanding. Abụ onye na-anị iyi ọ na-akọ eri ọrụ ka notice ya ka ọ dị ka ọ dị egwu. Ọ nwaanyị n'ebe a ka ọ na-eyi ụjọ. Amamihe ndị ebe a na-agbadiri ya nkịtị ọ na-ezuzugharị.
Imana saga Imana saga gi German open place. He had a cherry against them. He want to go.
Yes.
Ibo tanya na buzozo na mma.
Ogechi buzozo ha. Onwe na na-agbasaga. Ndị ada agbasaga buzozo na ndị nke ndị na niano. Nwe misunderstanding obere ndị na buzozo no bo dị ndị osa.
Okay, ndị ke buzozo na buzozo na-eso. Okay.
Ndị nke buzozo. Agaji akụ ndị nke men ya.
Agaji akụ na ndị otu ya kwugo mega the 10.
Okay.
Argument.
So busa beze na ke ya mepe no.
Adi the bandit ojo.
Mepe no ya bi gbamanu ya. Mecha Akaji aka beze dia ya na ya ekpechie. So Akaji akụ na bozuku gazoka. So this guy papi abezi ma na ime interrupt ikwu kwa masị papi hapụ no aka ha kwuo kwa n'okwu biko. You understand? Papi emechie kwa ọnụ mgbe m kwuru okwu ahụ. Enweghị papi enweghị ihe ọ kpọrọ ya. Ịwa ara. Ashi ha welcome ka ha mere mweti ya ha emere. So after buzu na onye otu ya mechichara ka ha ga. So ada nọkwa ndị ahụ nwanne Sara. Ya vorum from nowhere. Nwe mụ na ahụ why m jashi papi mechie ọnụ. This that mama onye mo chia ya onwe ka ya ụkwa n'onye. From there anyị esuru ya. Si isu ya Sara abata shugo ebe na aja mba onye nwanne m onye nwanne m. Mụ na digela anọkwa dị ya. Mechiekwa immediately.
Okay.
You understand? Anya anọkwa dị ozugbo mejiekwa even ejem ahụrụ m ya taa anya akpọ nwa anyị my love nwanne imo dị ha anya anọkwa nga mejie ya sị m sorry m shikwa sorry ka aha aga ịhụrụ kpa ahụ si mee so
but after anụmanụ tagbawe ya afa oge ihe niile nwere ya gbasara ya
o lecha vidio abịda pụtazie bịa kwugo okwu gbasara ya
openet or something like that nwere gbasara openet na ihe a wetin bezozo ha
ihe mere n'inside ụlọ ha gbasa ha
nwanne ụgwọ na mfụrụ ebe a mmanya chee ya ọnụ ịkọ ọmụ nkọpụta gị mma mmanya chokwu niile ọnụ ịkọ na ala m ihe nwụcha na chamịda ka eti ya ọgwụrụ ya na-atụ ụjọ oge ọgwụrụ ya na-atụ ụjọ onwe dị ime chaka nna gba ifo ndị abịa ka ebe a n'ime ụlọ ole soro ma achọrọ ikwu ịgwa m ogwu na achọrọ ikwu
ha chọọ obituary anyị eme obituary unu achọ odumodu anyị enye unu odumodu
anyị bidoro obituary
anyị bidoro ihe niile we dey
when you do obituary what is your local obituary ga imo mmadụ mgbe ahụ onye ajebewe
anyị kwuchichara meyo eburu ya bata na Facebook
meyo eburuzie egbe ko nwa na ebe a onwe ihe eji eme
anyị ga-enye unu ambulance
meyo ịgwara ha na anyị bandit Biko no, anya to anya to distraction. Anyị nwere target anyị jiri bịa na this place.
Mkpụrụ obi anụ wit ọkụkọ sheshe kwụọla ya odumodu. Ichesa anya
onye ahụ ihe ọma ha na-eme hapụrụ onye
ahụ. Ichesa anya ga-ebịara iche.
Onye ọ chọrọ na-egwu egwu ọ chọrọ na-egwu ịchọrọ ihe m ga-abụ mgbacha saga. Ogobere aka chọrọ ihe ga-abụ agbacha saga eji niile ha na-abụzi ụzọ n'ụlọ fụbọs. Ụzọ fụ agbada achọrọ onye ka a na-agba. Una wasa kule ka enemy for life for years.
Onye ahụ shi shine enweghị eji ya eme.
Happen ya wo ya ka anyị nwere
ko bịa bụ wee wuo ama na obodo bụ ọgbọ vlog ahụ ko wuo ka no dizie atụ ya ụjọ
ama that time na ama
atụpanyere m ya
onye ya bụ distraction na o meto ko bịa ya biko onye nwere ya na ọ ji bịa page gị ọ ga-abịa peji ọ na mmadụ ebe m blọkụ mvutu
idiot iro onye mekanik
na-ekiri na-ekwu okwu nwere maka ọ jụrụ na a na-atụ ya ụjọ firi na enyi na ndị saịdị ya na-atụ ya ụjọ obiri abata na saịdị nke anyị na oge onye adịrị important labụgodo na onye a biko ana m na-eche nye esi ahụ ka o mee
ọ bụ na chọrọ distracted o biko anyị kpumokwu ya na anya echefu anyị pụrụ bịa ebe biko
eziokwu
What did you
do to Autumn? Autumn, I show me for me again. I buy him money.
Autumn, what can you want?
I know what.
I'm glad to